lesson. So now let's dive into the system and see a few posts created by the software. Here's the magic one. It will generate video sales page within minutes and drive traffic too. It can generate video opt-in pages within minutes and drive traffic too. And magic number 3, it will set up traffic blast to any affiliate link site, lead pages or squeeze pages within minutes. So now let's log in into the system. Okay, this is a traffic blast demo that was created using the software. It says watch video, click the play button, and here's a video with the play icon. It says click the play button to watch the video. Now let's click the play button, and whenever the user clicks the play button, this thing will appear. It says click here to start the video now, and also it gives a number which gives an impression to the user that many people are watching this right now. And that's a share button, that is a Facebook share. Let us click the share button. As soon as the share button is clicked, this will appear. I am already logged in, so I am getting this. Otherwise it will ask to log in into the Facebook. And there's two buttons, share and cancel. Now what will happen is, if the users they decline to share and they click cancel, then also they will be redirected to your affiliate links. And when they click share, the video will start to play automatically, and after a fixed amount of time, say 10 seconds or 15 or 30 seconds, which you can specify, this will be redirected to your affiliate link. Let's see. Let me click share. Now the video will start to play automatically, and after a few amount of time it will redirect to my affiliate link. This is for the ClickBank product. What if you knew what? Yeah, this is the product what men secretly want. Now let's wait for some time, and you will see that this page will automatically redirect. So what you can do is you can describe the product here, its feature and benefits. Yeah, it's redirecting. It has redirected to the affiliate link.
What if you knew what men secret?
Let me pause this right now. Okay, so you saw it. It was brilliant. That is, when they click share, the video will start to play automatically, and after a few amount of time it will redirect it to your affiliate link. And even if they click cancel, the user will be redirected to your affiliate link. So you will get traffic irrespective of the fact whether they click share or they click cancel. And what happened in the background is, let us see, this thing is posted. Yeah, this thing is posted on my Facebook wall. It's the image, it says what men secretly want, how to understand your men, and it says free presentation for women. This, what if you know what men secretly wanted but they could never tell you. And whenever this is clicked, they will again be taken to that particular page. So what this means is, when you post it on your wall, your friends can see it, and when your friends try to see it, they have to click the play button, and they will, when they click the play button, they have to share it on their wall. That means your friends, the friends of your friends, they can see it. And what will happen is, within a few short period of time, your affiliate link will be presented to many people who are using Facebook. And even if they cancel, they are redirected to your affiliate link. So your affiliate link will be spread throughout the web within a short period of time. So this has got huge traffic potential. Now let's see what happens in case of video sales page. Again, you see the watch video, click the play button. This nice arrow mark pointing to the video. This button. What you can do is you can customize this. You can add your affiliate link here. It might be your ClickBank product, Zvizu product, or your Warrior Forum product, anything. You can add it here. You can describe the product features, the benefits the users are going to get by watching this. If you are a product owner, then you can describe your product here, and you can watch them. I mean, you can ask the users to click the button. I mean, the whatever button you put here, get instant access or add to cart, you can ask them to click it, and you can add it to your affiliate links or the product sales link. So let's see. What will happen is, here again, when they click share, they will be asked, they will be given with the share and the share and the cancel. When they click cancel, they will be redirected to your affiliate link. Wait a minute. When they click cancel, they will be redirected to your affiliate link, and when they click share, the video will start to play automatically. It will describe your product and features. You can also ask them to click the button below. You can promote this link, this button inside the video. You can offer them some bonuses for clicking this. But what happened in the background is, as soon as you clicked shared, again you see this is posted on my wall. So your sales page, similarly you can create opt-in pages, that is opt-in forms. So what will happen is, it will create a viral impact, and within a short period of time your sales page, your opt-in pages, that will be in front of hundreds and thousands of people, and you can get lots and lots of opt-ins. So what you see is that you are not going to miss any clicks. You are going to get benefit, you are going to get traffic from each and every click to this website. So the benefit is huge. That is what I wanted to say. You can set up traffic blast to any sites. You can create video opt-in pages, you can create video sales pages too. So now let's see the full potential of the system. You will have hundreds and thousands of affiliate links spread at many places, so the possibility of getting lots of click is high. Let's see example. Suppose you share it as the first one, and then each one of us have about hundreds and hundreds of friends. Let's assume just 5 of our friends, they go ahead and try to view the video, so they share it. So in second step we have about 5 shares, or the 5 views. Similarly 5 of your friends, that means they share it. So in step 3 we have about 25 shares. Similarly in step 4 125, step 5 625, and if this goes on, step 6 3125, and step 7 you will have about 15,625, and in step 8 onwards it will be in level of say 75,000. So the potential is huge. Just give it a try. It's a lot of traffic. So as you can see, there is much power in the system. Then I can't cover everything here. One of the best thing is to dive in and try it yourself. It will amaze you for sure. You will wonder how you even try to make money online without it. You will